Number one. So, now we will start with stanza number 2 given in my greatest Olympic prize. Now we all know that we have studied till now that there were two main characters. That was, the first one was Jesse Owens and the second one was who? Luz Long. Right? Fine. Now when we talk about these two main characters, we all know that Jesse Owens belonged to African, he was an African American player, and Luz Long himself was a German player. Okay. Now we all, in this paragraph it is written, I wasn't too worried about all this. Now what was he not worried about is, I is over here who? It is Jesse Owens. So this I is Jesse Owens. He is telling that he wasn't too much worried about all this. All this is what is actually the belief of Hitler, that his race was the race of master race. You can say his race was actually a master race. So he wasn't at all worried about this fact that his race was all the time, a master race, or Hitler believed it to be a race of master race. Because he says also that I had trained, sweated and disciplined myself for 6 years. That means he is actually explaining himself that he has put in so many efforts. Okay, that means he has put in so many efforts in learning and moreover gaining more knowledge, and you can say even he was like practicing more and more so as to become skilled in what he was doing all the time. So that is why it's written over here, I trained. That means he has been training himself for number of years. Sweated, that means he has sweated here refers to what? That he has trained himself to such a great extent that it showed his efforts that he has put in it. And disciplined myself for 6 years. And disciplined actually means that he has actually made himself follow that specific timetable for that span of how many years? 6 years. Okay. Now when he says that, with what kind of thought was present always in his mind when he was training himself? The only thing that he had done is all this. Why has he done all this? With games in mind. That means he had only and only one thing in mind, and that was games. While I was going over on the boat, all I could think about was taking home one or two of those gold medals. Now while he was going over on the boat, we all know that he belonged to America. And where did he needed to travel? Where was he requiring to travel? To Germany. Germany, which place? Berlin. Okay. So when he is saying over there that when he was there traveling on his boat, you can imagine this is the boat in which he was traveling so as to reach to this place Berlin, participate in Olympics in the year 1936. So he says that when he was going from America to Germany, that is to Berlin, to participate in the Olympics in the year 1936, he had only one thought in his mind. What was the thought in his mind is that at least one or two gold medals should be won by him. Okay, that is only the thought that was present in his mind, that he is definitely for sure at least going to win 2 or 3 gold medals. Are you getting my point? So this is what was present in his mind. Further he says, I had my eyes especially on the running broad jump. Okay, now he having an eye means what? He was absolutely very well versed with what? Broad jump running. Okay, that means he was skilled in it. So as he was skilled in this particular game, he felt that there are more chances for him to win. In which game? In broad jump. So therefore he had a lot of eye, or you can say he had an eye on this particular game, that is broad jump and running broad jump, a year before as a sophomore at Ohio State University. Now just 1 year before he was a sophomore. Sophomore actually means a student of Ohio State University It was a university, like we have universities here. Similarly, that is an university present in America over there. So therefore, as he was a alumni, or you can say a student of Ohio State University, he has set the world record of 26 feet 8 1 by 4 inches. Now there, when he was there, where he was there, at Ohio State University, he has set a record. What was the record? The record was 26 feet, then 8 1 by 4 inches. So that was the record, and it was actually a good one. Are you understanding? It was a good record. So according to a player, as it is a good record for a player, therefore he believed that definitely for sure he is going to win over there. That's what it's written here. I had set the world record of 26 feet 8 1 by 4 inches. Everyone kind of me expected to win that Olympic events hands down. That means hands down means it was a very easy, or everyone believed that it was a very easy task, or going to be a very easy task for him to win that Olympic Games. Are you getting the point? So this is what has been explained in this passage, that he was not at all worried about anything, or you can say, because he was himself knowing this very well, that he was himself a very well trained person. As he was a trained person, he knew that he has put in his efforts for a span of 6 years. As he has put in his efforts for a span of 6 years, with all the time games in mind, practicing them, working on them again and again and again. Therefore, when he was traveling from his place to Germany or to Berlin to participate in Olympics in 1936, on the boat only, when he was sitting on the boat, he was thinking that at least he is going to gain what? At least he is going to win 1 or 2 gold medals from there. Moreover, he was a very, you can say, skilled broad jumper. So therefore, he had an eye on it. He having an eye on it means he was just knowing this very well, that in this particular game he is definitely going to win. Okay. Now when he was there present in the Ohio State University, as he was a student of the Ohio State University, there also the people had a lot of trust on him, a lot of belief on him. Moreover, why did they have the trust on him was just because he has set a world record. He has set a record of what? 26 feet 8 1 by 4 inches in what? Broad jumping. Okay, so it was feeling, or you can say it was a kind of a feeling which was coming in his heart again and again, that definitely for sure it is not going to be a very tough task for him to win that game. Is this clear? Okay, so this is what this paragraph is all about.